Cost comparison. Solar versus grid. Electricity in Kenya. Imagine this. You open your electricity bill, and instead of a skyrocketing figure, you see zero. No more worrying about power outages, unpredictable tariffs, or rising grid costs. In Kenya, that dream is not only possible, it's affordable and within your reach with solar power. Today, let's talk about why switching to solar with Power Africa Solar is a game changer for your wallet and your peace of mind. Let's start with the numbers. Grid electricity in Kenya, managed by Kenya Power, comes with fluctuating tariffs. The average household pays between 20 to 30 Kenyan shillings per kilowatt-hour, depending on usage. For a typical home consuming 200 kilowatt-hours a month, that's about 4,000 to 6,000 shillings every single month. Add in fuel surcharges and inflation adjustments, and those costs creep higher year after year. Plus, let's not forget the frustration of power rationing and blackouts that leave you in the dark. Now compare that to solar. A home's solar system from Power Africa Solar, tailored to your needs, might cost between 100,000 to 500,000 shillings up front, depending on your energy demands. Sounds like a big investment, right? But here's the kicker. Once installed, your electricity costs drop to zero. No monthly bills, no surcharges, no outages. For a 200 kilowatt-hour household, a solar system could pay for itself in as little as 2 to 5 years. After that, you're generating free, clean energy for decades. Solar panels last 25 years or more. Let's break it down further. Grid electricity is like renting power. You pay forever, and costs only go up. Solar is like owning your home. Invest once, and the benefits are yours for life. Plus, with Kenya's abundant sunshine, over 5 hours of peak sunlight daily, your solar system works overtime to power everything from your lights to your fridge, even your TV. And with battery storage, you've got power 24/7, no matter what the grid does. But it's not just about savings. Solar protects you from unreliable grid power. No more scrambling for candles during blackouts or worrying about appliances damaged by power surges. With Power Africa Solar, you're in control with clean, safe, and reliable energy that's kind to the planet. So, why Power Africa Solar? We're Kenya's trusted solar experts, installing systems nationwide, from Nairobi to Kisumu and beyond. Our team designs custom solutions to fit your budget and energy needs, using top-quality panels and batteries built to last. Whether you're powering a small home or an entire business, we've got you covered. Ready to make the switch? Install solar anywhere in Kenya with Power Africa Solar. Call us today at 0792 247 397 or 0